would I actually go out and buy this product? Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Kiana here. If you're new, welcome. Today I'm doing another makeup review with the company Beauty Blender. Influencer gifted this to me. So if you're interested in hearing my thoughts on this brand, then stay tuned. So we're gonna start off with the whipped concealer. I got in the color Deep Bronze 4.45N. I'm gonna just cover up all these dark spots over here. Lock feature on it, which I think is really nice because, you know, if you're traveling or if you're putting this in your makeup bag, it accidentally, you know, pump it by accident and then it spills all over. You don't want that. So I like this lock feature. And then once you open it, the makeup, oops, I didn't open it. Once you open it, the makeup will dispense into this area here. And the makeup is supposed to be full coverage, velvety, and it has moisture boosting hyaluronic acid. This is too dark. This is too dark. Too dark. That's the only thing about getting makeup foundations online and trying to choose your color based off the photos that they have. This is just, wow. Looks like I was on a beach somewhere, which I am mentally anyway, but my goodness. This is too dark. 2 pumps is all you need. It does cover most. But still, like over here, I've gone over this spot multiple times and you can still kind of see a dark spot there, so. I don't think that it's full coverage. Guys, it's a no for me. It says it's weightless, but I just feel like the foundation is very thick. I can feel it on my face. Compared to other foundations that I've tried before, I can just feel it. This is not weightless. Not weightless. It says that it says medium to maximum coverage to address both tone and texture, never dull or greasy. I can see myself getting greasy with this too. Like I don't know. All right, so that's 2 down. That's 3 products down. And then this, well, I'm gonna use my own concealer, hold on. To lighten it up a bit. I think I need you guys to get a closer look at this, like. So my problem areas are right here. Those are the areas where I tend to crease a lot. So you'll see right here. I don't know if you can see it, but around this area, it's looking kind of gray. You can still see some dark marks as many times that I did go over it with the concealer and foundation. You can see it, or at least I can see it. I don't know. I think this foundation will work better for me in the summertime, but right now that since it's winter, like this is my true complexion, and I would be a lighter shade. So the pictures that were on Influenster to choose from, it was kind of hard to choose from. So I felt like I was in between 2, maybe 3 colors. So it was really difficult for me to decide. But I think I would give this product maybe a 6 out of 10. Since I haven't done a wear test. Would I actually go out and buy this product? Probably not. Like I stated earlier, this was gifted to me by Influenster, so I'm grateful to have had tried this product. I always like trying new things anyway. Beauty Blender is a plus 10 out of 10 for me. Foundation, maybe a lighter color. I don't know if it's long wear. I'm not gonna do a wear test. I already don't like the way that it feels on my face. I don't know what it is. I just don't. It just feels cakey to me, and I don't like cakey foundations. As for this, the setting powder is pretty good. I don't know how long it will hold up, and it is too dark for me as well. I looked at this foundation in another mirror in a different lighting, and it doesn't look too bad, but I still feel like it's darker than my complexion. Like, this is a foundation I would probably wear in the summertime. Right now, like, it's wintertime, my face is my complexion's a lot lighter, and so no. Foundation, I wouldn't get this again. I'd give it a 5 out of 10. Only because I don't know how long it's gonna withhold, but also, like, for me personally, I don't like cakey feelings. I do like the fact that it's matte, but again, not my color. I don't like it. And as for the concealer, the applicator is my biggest thing. I like thinner or like smaller tip applicator. I would prefer it to be a flat tip, easier to apply. Just an example, like this, a lot thinner, or like these, thinner. So that wraps up today's video on the Beauty Blender products. Thanks again for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.